Guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can reset a new Mercedes Citan. This one comes from 2024, brand new, and I'm going to show you in this short video how to reset it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars, some tips and tricks. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay. Let's start. First of all, have the ignition turned off. Then you have to have the odometer on the trip. This is the trip, okay. Then you need to press about 5 seconds to the home button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release and press the OK button. And the menu for the surface indicator appears on your screen. Just scroll down to Assist Plus, press OK, switch the ignition on, and then you'll have the surface area. Scroll down to full surface, press OK, and confirm service. I'm not going to do that because this one is a brand new car. I haven't done any service yet. Just confirm another service with this, and it asks you for another confirmation, and when you confirm it with yes, the service indicator must disappear. This was a 2024 Mercedes Citan. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Don't forget to like our videos and hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.